Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prioritizing safety and setting the gear for success. Find a safe spot 1/2 to 2 miles from the storm and set your tripod on stable ground. Once done, switch your camera to manual, aperture around f/5, 6f/11, ISO 100-200, and use bulb or start with 5 30-second exposures so you capture bolts. Attach a remote or cable release to avoid shake. Make sure composition frames sky and foreground. You want contrast and scale before you fire the first exposure. You now focus and refine settings to increase your lightning hit rate. First, manually focus to infinity or a distant light using live view because autofocus will hunt in dark. Once locked, tape the ring if possible. Then, vary exposure lengths. Try 5, 10, and 20 seconds or use bulb with regular intervals so you balance bolt capture and sky brightness. Use an intervalometer or lightning trigger to increase odds. Check the histogram and lower exposure if highlights clip. Keep adjusting until you consistently capture distinct bolts. You finish by reviewing images and applying final fixes to get publishable results. First, cull single good frames and consider stacking several images to enhance detail and reduce noise, aligning and blending bolts in post. Once done, tweak exposure or ISO moderately if bolts look weak, but make sure highlights don't blow out. Underexpose slightly rather than clip. If sensor noise or hot pixels appear from long sessions, shorten exposures, allow cooling pauses, or use dark frame subtraction. This one troubleshooting step solves many long exposure issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.